Hello guys, you're welcome to Stock Projects channel today. There's something very important we'll be talking about today. I'm just going through the cryptocurrency chart today, looking at the hot gainers, that's the hot crypto, the hot coins that are in active circulation or active trades today. And I discovered a special coin called Omni Coin. Omni Coin. Omnicoin, what really attracted me to Omnicoin was the outrageous 24 hours bull or interest it gained. I realized Omnicoin has gained in the last 24 hours over 3,041% increase. Has gone on the bull. So that means if you had a $1 worth of Omnicoin yesterday, today that coin would have increased by 3,030%. That is, it would have made you like $3,000 richer. So it's a wonderful coin. It's a wonderful coin, and I realized this particular coin is the top gainer for today. The top gainer for today. The current price right now is $31.38. So gaining above Santos, gaining above Bitcoin, gaining above Lazio coin, gaining above all manner of coins we could ever imagine. And when I look at this particular coin, the Omni USD Pay, I realized there was no antecedents. There was no antecedents. Looking at okay, let's look at, for example, now, let's look at how much it has gained in the last 24 hours. I realized it even rose today by over 5,000%. You can imagine that's a serious, outrageous, bullish move. Outrageous, bullish move. So, a coin that was like $1 yesterday, in less than 1 hour or less than 24 hours, had rose to 55 USD. Look at it, yes, 55 USD. Has rose to 55 USD. So that means anyone who had sold at this point must probably have gotten $5,000 again. So it's actually a very wonderful coin. Opening at $1, opening at $1, opening at $1 and closing at $55. And you look at the volume, it's about the sales volume, it's over 2 million sales volume. So that's a very, very lucrative coin, very, very lucrative coin. And you look at the 15-minute charts, you look at the 1 hour chart, and mind you, when you look at the chart, having grown that high, I'm seeing it already going down, So when you look at the 15-minute chart, you look at the 1 hour chart, you look at the 4 hour chart, you look at the 1 day chart. You look at the 1 day chart, is showing that it's on the green. When you look at the 15-minute chart, you realize that a lot of persons may be losing some money buying this coin. So possibly it's those that zoomed in earlier and zoomed out. They may be the ones to benefit from this coin movement. Because when you look at it right now, you see that the coin is dropping. Looking at the 15-minute chart, you look at the coin is dropping. Looking at the 1 hour chart, the coin is dropping. So it's very, very important. Sometimes one may look at, even when you look at the all-time here, you see that it's dropping. So, but there may be possibilities of it going up again. But we can't really tell. We can't really tell. Let's look at the trading information. This coin currently it's still not ranked among the top 10. Even with this increase, it's still not ranked among the top 10. So we don't really know whether this gain will make it to go up. We don't really know whether this gain will really make it to go up. But whichever we look at, the market capitalization for this coin has gone to 332 billion, 332.42 million US dollars. And then the circulation is over 10 million. The max supply, the total supply, the all-time high. As in the all-time high, this coin has risen to over 54. This coin has risen to 54 USD. This coin has risen to 54.23 USD. So it's an interesting coin. It's an interesting coin. You know, it's a layer one blockchain designed to integrate Ethereum rollup ecosystem in a single unified system. So using Omni, developers chain can actually, build native global applications that access all Ethereum liquidities and users by default. So it's a nice coin. It's a nice coin. I'll encourage a lot of persons who possibly would like to trade in this coin. That will be fine. You can go ahead and buy. You can go ahead and take the risk and buy what. Generally, the coin is showing some good, impressive move. So, if you have a comment, if you're concerned as well, if you have an experience, or if you were among those who gained when it rose, come on, hit the comment section. Let's continue our discussion. For now, that's all I have for you on stock projects. You can like, you can share, you can comment on our video so that it can go viral. Let more persons get to know about this coin. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.